Hello all. I want to show you a different way to take square roots. The way I showed you is the best way to do it. It's perfect. But this way is very, very good too, and it's a good strategy. So let's do it. The steps are take an estimate, doesn't even need to be very good, and divide it into the number. Take the quotient that you get and add it to the estimate, and then take half of that. Let me show you what I mean. Let's find the square root of 36 this way. We know the square root of 36 is 6, but let's pretend for this example I didn't know that. Maybe I thought it was 5. So my estimate is 5. I'm going to divide the estimate into the number. So what's 36 divided by 5? 5 goes into 36 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 5, 10. Add our quotient 7.2 to our estimate 5. And take half of that. Half of 1 is 0. Half of 12 is 6. And half of 2 is 1. Now we have a better estimate, 6.1. It's not great, but it's a lot better than 5. And we can improve it by doing these 3 steps again. So let's do that. Let's divide 6.1 into 36. 6.1 goes into 36 5 times. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 1, 5. 6.1 into 55 9 times. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 1, 9. 6.1 into 10 once. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 1, 1. 6 into 39, 6 times. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 1, 6. Let's stop here. On our second time through, we only need 4 digits. So I'm going to round this up to 2. And this is our quotient, 5.902. Let's add that to our estimate, 6.1, and divide that by 2. Half of 1 is 0, half of 12 is 6, half of 2 is 1. Now we have an even better estimate, but we can improve that. So let's do this process again. What's 6.001 into 36? 6 into 36, 5 times. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 0, 0. 0 again. And 5 times 1 is 5. 6 into 59, 9 times. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 again. 9 times 1 is 9. 6 into 59, 9 times. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 1 is 9. 6 into 54, 9 times. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 0. 9 times 0 again. And 9 times 1 is 9. And 6 goes into 10 once. 1 times 6 is 6, 0, 0 again, and 1 times 1 is 1. For our third guess, we only need 8 digits. So I'm not going to worry about these. I'm going to add our estimate to our quotient, 6.001, and take half of what's left. Half of 1 is 0, half of 12 is 6, half of 1 is 0, half of 10 is 5. And I'm going to round this up. So now we have a very good estimate, 6, 7 zeros, and then a 1. We could do this again if my Soroban was longer, but I hope you get the idea. This is a very good estimate, even though it's not quite perfect. Let's do another example.